And now let's go across to Baroda, where the cast of Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara was in for a rather royal reception, to say the least. However, Vikram Thapa claims that the royal reception was because he has precisely 2 drops of royal blood in him as well.
This is the first time that there will be an interview where I'll be sitting here and they'll be sitting there. It'll be a over-the-shoulder interview. Oh, they're here. Okay, before I scare you guys, I'm already here. Oh my God! Uncle also gave you a flying kiss.
Uncle gave flying kiss.
Uncle also gave a flying kiss.
Now Union Health Minister will be very upset. Union Health Minister very upset. Oh, uncle is giving boys kisses.
How is Hrithik as a driver and how is Farhan as a driver?
I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. I'm going to have to speak out the honest truth from the heart.
We're good friends.
Yeah, go
so,
for it.
you know, it's...
Farhan is a far better driver than you. I never
Farhan, come on.
I never once
Did you even feel the braking?
I never once felt, oh my God, you know, kind of like, you know, when you feel someone's racing and people are not driving safely.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my God! You have to see what's happening outside. ये क्या कर रहे हैं?
अरे खत्म हो गया अभी तो.
क्या?
But after like almost 11 hours of driving, you feel no fatigue. I mean, you're all dressed in
Actually, no, you know.
Look at the energy.
जब आप यहाँ पर,
you can't feel tired.
Exactly, you arrived here and you see all these people.
We're all
Look at
together
what's going on
and
around you. There's such a buzz.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it's like being at a live concert performing.
Without performing.
To meet Samarjeet Singh Gaikwad.
That's right.
The prince.
That's right.
So what are your thoughts?
No, I don't think.
We look forward to it because of the fact that we are...
And I hope you're invited. Like, was it an invite?
It'd be very funny if we show up there like, yes.
and they're a bit too late, so I hope he's not gone to sleep.
No, but...
really hungry.
It's fantastic, to be invited.
Gujarati food.
And we are, of course, staying with Baroda, where Vikram Thapa, according to rumours, has been getting rather close to Katrina Kaif. Though at the moment they claim they're just good friends. But as we observe the two dancing, let's pay close attention to the body language, which screams that they're anything but.
Day 2.
Well, it's day 2. We are on our way from the Baroda Hotel to Ahmedabad. It's about 1.5 hours drive, about 100 kilometers. And there, the stars are going to be unveiling a new mall. That's what we're told. But let's see, the action is not in the mall. It's on the roads. People are fighting. There's total, absolute mayhem happening here.
Hey, chalo na. शहर एक नया
License?
I've got a party animal with me.
You know he doesn't have a license.
You don't have a license?
No, I have a license.
Have you noticed that they've kicked me out of their car, by the way?
If I show it to you, what will you get? You'll do this?
I'll go into that car.
There's an allegation being made right here. She says she's been kicked out of that car.
It's a complete lie. It's an eyewash. You know, she suffers from this persecution complex. It's a persecution complex. She's thrown herself out of the car because she hated me. Any song that was played, this was the expression. This is what she was doing through the whole trip. So we decided, why don't we go there and listen to her?
No, she's got good music.
We'll be back with you guys in that car in a bit.
निगाहों से कहीं अरमान की दास्तां है सेन्योरिता
चाहत की
मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है सेन्योरिता मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो आओ पास तुम मेरे मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो समझी क्या सेन्योरिता
Okay, these beautiful people are now on their way to Ahmedabad, where at the Ahmedabad PVR they'll be unveiling a new mall. So there they go. Abhay, Farhan, Hrithik and everyone in one car. Katrina in the other.
I do not like this friendship brewing between Vikram Thapa and Katrina Kaif. And if you thought that it was Hrithik, Katrina, Farhan and Zoya who were the stars of the road trip, well, you're mistaken. Vikram Thapa seems to be stepping up to the stage as well, quite literally.
I'm Vikram Thapa, I'm from NDTV. I've come here all the way from Mumbai. Will we meet Hrithik Roshan? Will we meet Katrina Kaif? This is the spirit of Ahmedabad. These are the people who are waiting for their stars.
We're all super happy to be here. Ahmedabad is a really lucky place for me. Every time I've come here, the film has gone on to do really well. So thank you so much, and I hope you guys like this film as well.
ये यहाँ मुंबई से दिल्ली तक है था तो it is different और वो एक convertible गाड़ी थी वहाँ पर monsoon नहीं था वहाँ पर इतने smiling faces नहीं थे तो it's kind of different. Hey hey चलो ना ढूंढे शहर एक नया जहाँ मुस्कुराहटे हैं बिखरी जहाँ से गम का मौसम गया
भूले हम भी जो सारी फिक्रे लम्हा लम्हा खुशियाँ बिखरे
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.